So we got a 2013 Honda Ridgeline here in the shop, and we got to replace the side marker bulb in it, and I'll show you how easy it is to do, or not.
So we got one screw we're going to take out here, and we're going to take some button plugs out over here, and there's some up in here we'll take off. We're going to try and just pull this back, and you may be able to do this without taking the tire off, but we're going to take the tire off to give you guys some access here to see. And we're going to take this button plug out. We've got a button plug here. We got one up here. We got one up here. We're going to take this off to see if we can peel it and get our hand back here to get the light bulb that's out that's over here. So we got a tool here to remove these button plugs. Nice, huh? Okay, on to the next. It's winter here in New England. It's cold. Everything's brittle. All you boys out in the nice climate part of the country, you don't have any of these issues. So we deal with it every day. Okay, we've got one up here. We're gonna get out. Using all my hands today, huh? Drop my screw, man. All right, let's see what we can peel out here. So it's a matter of getting our hand in here. You can look up, see the light socket up there, Tony, right there?
Yep. So way up into there it is. Just twist right out.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some tabs on there, guys, that lock it in place, so you twist it.
And you can see the bulb. So my hands are all dirty. I'm not going to use these dirty gloves to put this new one in. So, and you want to not touch the bulb with oil on your fingers. So you do want to wear a pair of gloves. So we're going to get the new bulb and pop that in.
So that's where the bulb's going, is way up where that hole is, right there.
Okay, so we're going to pop the new one in. Okay, it's snapped in.
Let's see if I can get in there. Hey, there's a hole right up there. So you're gonna push the bulb through. You might have to twist it a little bit and then allow the notches on the socket.
It just fell in. Now I'm twisting and it locked in.
There you go.
And I'm pulling back. I won't pull out. And we can tuck this all back inside the fender now. And so we got this plug that's broken. We're gonna replace it.
Yeah,
we got the one screw we dropped on the floor. We got to put in there. And I got this plug right here. We can pop back in. Got this one here.
And then just kind of push back in place.
Yeah, and this one's a little fatter than this one. So got this one go up in here. We're going to go find our screw there, and we're just going to replace this button plug that we broke with the new one.
Yep.
And that's all that we had to do to get the light back in place. I took the tire off. You can probably, do this if you turn the tire all the way out. It just made it a lot easier. So let me find that screw, put the screw back in here, and button plug that we broke, and that's all there is to it.